Hello, today we break down the component of the toilet to be used. So today video reviews is about the component, and so for the toilet it has the toilet tank you see in the picture, tank lids, toilet bowl, toilet seats, cover, plus button and plus lever, toilet base. Okay, you can see here in the detail how to call it in the technical words. Here we breaking down for easy to review and read by its parts.
Aura Home, regular maintenance of the bathroom, toilet, and wash area helps prevent leaks, bad odors, and expensive repairs. Here's a simple checklist. Every week. Clean the toilet bowl, seat, and flush handle. Wash the sink and faucet. Clean the shower floor and walls to prevent mold. Wipe mirrors and bathroom surfaces. Check that the toilet flushes properly. Every month. Check for water leaks around the toilet, sink, and shower. Clean floor drains and remove hair or debris. Inspect silicone sealant around the sink and shower for cracks. Test the exhaust fan and clean the dust. Check the water pressure. Every 6 months. Inspect flexible water hoses for cracks or rust. Tighten loose faucets or shower heads. Clean the shower head to remove mineral deposits. Check the toilet tank for leaks and inspect the fill valve and flapper. Every year. Inspect all bathroom pipes for corrosion or leaks. Reseal joints if the grout or silicone is damaged. Check the water heater for proper operation. Inspect the shut-off valves to ensure they still operate smoothly. Common inspection points. No water leaks. No bad smells from drains. Toilet flushes completely. Faucets close tightly without dripping. Drains flow quickly without blockage. No mold on walls or ceiling. Exhaust fan removes moisture effectively.